I call it the barbecue test. When they go to a barbecue with their friends on the weekend, and they'll say, you know what, I took my car into ABC services the other day, and you know what they did? They did this, 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 and this. And they I drove it through this machine that did just all these lines appeared on the car, and I got a full written report, what my car was worth, what it would cost to repair the disc and everything else. It's the most amazing service I've ever seen. It's what the dealer's got to understand is what he can do with that information. It's a very small investment. First of all, you're providing a service to the customer to probably give a quote on repairing those dents and marks and scratches. The second thing also, which is as important, having worked in a lot of dealerships, you might find this difficult to believe. Some customers actually lie and tell you that dent was done while it was in your service department. And that's almost a daily occurrence, particularly with the more prestige brand. So it's really about the security of knowing as a car comes into the dealership driven by the customer, there is a very clear visibility of any imperfections, but also an opportunity to provide that customer with the quote to provide a service to fix it. Car sales are going to get tough. Car sales there's been more customers than cars. Now there's more cars than customers. So the dealership only income is a percentage of the retail sale price of the car. So it's all the other incomes that he has to now generate to be able to make the same amount of gross. So it would be fair to say that we know as an agency model is going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. I call it the pool of gross. Maximising on the pool of gross. The pool of gross is the service department, it's the parts department, it's the accessories. Most of them got panel shops now because the manufacturers and the prestige van insist they have a panel shop. So all those pools of gross are all add up, and that's the only way you can replenish that big bucket that now it's a lot less full.